Today is trigonometric ratios, some specific angles. Specific angles. Here, what is that specific angles? 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60, 90 degrees. Discuss about that degrees. Sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, secant values. How to find out the values? These are very important of exercise 2. So, first we will take it 0 with value, this value 1, this value 2, this value 3, this value 4. Then all numbers are divided by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. What is the result? 0 by 4 means value 0. 0 by 4 means value what is that? 0. 1 by 4 equal to value 1 by 4. 2 by 4 equal to value 1 by 2. It is a 3 by 4. This value 1. 4 by 4 equal to value 1. Then apply the square root values, all values. Root 0, root 1 by 4, root 1 by 2, root 3 by 4, root 1. Here, root 0 means value 0. That means sine 0 degrees is equal to value 0. Then root 1 by 4. Root 1 by 4, 1 root value 1 by 4 square root value 2. 1 by 2. That means sine 30 degrees equal to value 1 by 2. And 1 by square root of 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 2 means value. What is the square root of 1? 1 by root 2. That means sine 45 degrees is equal to value 1 by root 2. Here root 3, there is no root 3 value. Root 3 by 4 square root value 2. Root a by b, like that. Root a by root b. Then root 3 by root 4 means value 2. Root 1 equal to value 1. Root 1 equal to value 1. Square root of 1 equal to value 1. It is a sine value. That means sine 0 degrees is 0 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is equal to value 1 by 2. Sine 45 degrees is equal to value 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degrees is equal to value root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degrees is equal to value 1. These are sine values. Then cos values. These reverse values is cos values. Here 1, reverse. Write the reverse value. Root 3 by 2. Next 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Next 1 by 2. Next 0. That means reverse of sine values is cos. That means sine 0 degrees is sine 90 degrees here. And the cos 0 degrees is 0, cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 45 degrees is equal to value 1 by root 2, cos 60 degrees is equal to value 1 by 2, cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. These are cos values. And next, tan. Tan means sine by cos. Sine by cos. So, sine by cos, tan 0 degrees is equal to sine 0 degrees divided by cos 0. Sine 0 degrees value what is that? 0 by cos 0 value 1. 0 by 1. 0 by anything equal to value what is that? 0. That means tan 0 degrees equal to 0. Tan 30 degrees equal to sine 30 by cos 30. Sine 30 by cos 30. Sine 30 value what is that? 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. That equal value 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degrees equal to sine 30 divided by cos 30. Sine 30 value what is it? 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 by what is it? Root 3 by 2. Sine 30 value 1 by 2. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. That equal value 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 to cancel. That equal value 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degrees equal value 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degrees equal to sine 45 divided by cos 45. Sine 45 1 by root 2 whole divided by 1 by root 2. Same numerator and denominator also same value. That is equal to value 1. And next tan 60 degrees equal to sin 60 by cos 60. Root 3 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2. That means value what the result? Root 3. Tan 90 degrees equal to sin 90 by cos 90. What is the sin 90? 1. Cos 90 value 0. 1 by 0. Anything by 0 equal to value infinity. 0 by anything equal to value 0. Anything by 0 equal to value that is undefined. That means infinity. And cot values reverse write this. Tan reverse values cot. So infinity. Next root 3. 1. 1 by root 3. So 0. Or and another way, cot equal to cos by sin. Cos values divided by sin values. That is also one of the way. Find out the cot theta. And next, cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin. Cosecant theta equal to value 1 by sin. Then cosecant 0 equal to 1 by sin 0. 1 by sin 0. 1 by 0. Why anything by 0 equal to value what is that? Anything by 0 equal to value what is that? Infinity. So this result is infinity. Next, cosecant 30 degrees. Cosecant 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2. So here 1 by 1 by 2. Then 1 into 2 by 1 is equal to 2 by 1. That is equal to value what is that? 2. So cosecant 30 degrees equal to 1 by sin 30. So 1 divided by 1 whole divided by 1 by 2 means value 2. Next, cosecant 45 degrees equal to 1 by sin 45. That means value 1 whole divided by 1 by root 2 means value root 2. Next, cosecant 60 degrees equal to 1 by sin 60. That means the reciprocal of sin value. Reciprocal of sin value 2 by root 3. Next, cosecant 90 equal to 1 by sin. Reciprocal of sin 1 by 1 equal to value 1. And next, the secant sec. S is sec theta. So reverse of these values. Then 1, 2 by root 3. And next root 2. Next 2. That is infinity. Another way, secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta also apply that. If anyone, it is the angles of trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Sin 0 degrees value, sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 equal to value root 3 by 2, sin 90 equal to value 1. Then how to find out that? It is an easy way. Already we know that trigonometric ratios angles already we discussed it. Now apply these sums. First sum, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. First question, sin 45 degrees is equal to sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees is equal to sin 45 degrees value. Sin 45 degrees is equal to value what is it? 1 by root 2. Sin 45 degrees value what is it? 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 plus cos 45. Cos 45. Cos 45 degrees value also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2. What is the LCM? Root 2 is LCM. Root 2 is LCM. So here root 2 how many times? 1 time. 1 into 1, 1 plus root 2 how many times? 1 time. 1 once 1. That is equal to value 2 by root 2. So what to write that? 2 is written root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Root 2 into root 2 whole square. Square root cancel, that equal to value 2. So root 2 cancel, that is equal to value root 2. Okay. Evaluate the following. Cos 45 divided by secant 30 plus cosecant 60. Cos 45 degrees. What is the cos 45 degrees value? Cos 45 degrees value equal to value 1 by root 2. So that is equal to value 1 by root 2 divided by secant 30. Secant 30 degrees value 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 value is also 2 by root 3. That is also 2 by root 3. That is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by root 3 is LCM. Then 2 plus root 3 how many times? 1 time. 1 into 2, 2. Plus root 3 how many times? 1 time. 1 into 2, 2. That is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by 4 by root 3. That is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4. That is equal to 1 into root 3 by 4 root 2. Here, okay, third sum, first row and third sum, sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 whole divided by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 minus secant 30. What is the sin 30 value? What is the sin 30 value? Sin 30 is equal to, sin 30 degrees is equal to value, what is that? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus tan 45. Tan 45 degrees is equal to value 1 minus cosecant 60. Cosecant 60. 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole divided by cot 45 degrees. What is it? Cot 45. Cot 45 degrees is equal to value 1. Cot 45 degrees is equal to value 1. 1 plus cos 60. Cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equal to value 1 by 2. Minus secant 30. Secant 30 degrees is equal to value 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. That is equal to, here observe 1 by 2 numerator values 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. Denominator 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Here 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. Numerator and denominator are the same values, so cancel. So that is equal to value 1 by 1. That is equal to value letter 1. Next sum, evaluate the following. 2 tan square 45 degrees. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. 2 tan 45. What is the tan 45? Tan 45 degrees is equal to value 1. Tan 45 degrees is equal to value 1. So 2 into 1 square. Tan 45 degrees value 1 square. So 1 square plus cos 30. Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2 square, that means whole square, minus sin 60 is equal to value root 3 by 2. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. So sin 60 value root 3 by 2 whole square. Sin square 60. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Sin square 60 root 3 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 2 into 1 square means value 1 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. A by B whole power m equal to A power m by B power m. So apply that. Root 3 by root 3 whole square means value 3 by 2 square equal to value 4 minus root 3 whole square means value 3 by 2 square equal to value 4. 2 1s to 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Same value. 2 minus 2 equal to value 0. So like that 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 equal to value 0. that is equal to value 2. Second Roman sum, 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. 2 into tan 30. Tan 30 value, tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equal to value 1. So 1 square, that is equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 square means value 1. That is equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 2. 2 to cancel, that is equal to 1 by root 3. And next, here, second sum, 1 minus tan square 45 degrees. 1 minus tan square 45 degrees divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. 1 minus tan 45. Tan 45 degrees is equal to value 1. So 1 square by 1 plus tan 45 is also 1. 1 square. That means value 1 minus 1 square means value 1 by 1 plus 1 square means value 1. That is equal to value 0 by 2. 0 by anything equal to value 0. 0 by anything equal to value 0. And next, the third one, 2 tan 30. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. 2 into tan 30. Tan 30 degrees is equal to, what is it? 1 by root 3. 2 into 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus tan square 30. Tan square tan 30 equal value 1 by root 3 whole square. That is equal to 2 into 1 to 2. 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 square means value 1 by root 3 whole square equal value 3. A by b whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. 1 square equal value 1. Root 3 whole square equal value 3. That is equal to 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by 3 LCM in the denominator. 3 LCM. Here 1 by 1 like that. 103 3 times. 3 ones 3 minus 303 1 time. 1 ones 1. So that is equal to value 2 by root 3 whole divided by 2 by 3. That is equal to 2 by root 3 into this fraction is reverse. What is it? 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, that equal to value 3 by root 3. How to write that? 3 is written 3 root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel, that is equal to value